I got my head on the swivel, fingers time out. Open my mind wide, let these niggas in completely. Make sure that they can't delete me. I'm about to rewrite your whole fucking mainframe. Sick of the same, lame old same thing. I got some bubonic, you might wanna mix with some whisk. I got a vendetta with showing niggas that I'm way better, feeling way worthless.
Alright, that is a Dizzy Flight episode. Got 2 minutes. We got Heathen Rider, we got SubliminalMoto, and we got. It's so sweet.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I don't know that guy. It's freaking weird. You see what I mean by he's freaking weird? He's got one of those rare Austin Ride stickers. Dude, this surface looks so slickery. That's a word, right? Fourth gear pull. Crap, I've got to roll my window down. Should I? Go ahead. Look at the so internet famous SubliminalMoto standing on the ledge. And now the Heathen Rider goes to join him.
No, you can't be in it. Get out of it, Heathen. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Ow, 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 ow. God damn. Holy shit, dude. Fuck, man. Fuck. Sucks. Yeah. Why am I stirred?
I tried to get linked in again, but it wouldn't sync up. So I'm by myself and I listen to music, which is okay because I'm not recording their audio anyway. Sorry, Subliminal. That comp's lights just started turning on. That's why I was all hesitant to catch up to you. I can't see shit. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Again, thanks for coming out, Subliminal and this oven with us, and Tool Menace and Heathen Rider. And a new Tool Menace sticker.